Hey guys, what's up? It's LipstickNick, and today we're in Studio Morphe with
MMMMitchell. I'm back. Yes, I'm back with my girl.
You're back. I'm so excited.
Yes.
But today
so cool.
we're gonna do something a little bit different. So today we're gonna be playing around with a new palette for us that you were the face of.
Yes, me, the face
So
of a palette.
excited.
It's so weird.
I mean,
weird.
what a face, right? I mean, it's like it's perfect.
Well, it is now. She's done my makeup.
This is the 24M main event palette. One of the reasons that this is such a special and unique palette for us is there's actually a brand new formula in it. They're cake liners. Have you ever heard of a cake liner?
Not until this palette, no.
Okay, so cake liners are, I actually learned with cake liners like
okay,
when I
wow.
went to makeup school, but they're really cool. They're basically a water activated eyeliner. So you just dip your brush in some water, put it in there, and then you can do shapes, designs. You can keep it cute with like a cat eye. And you can see there's these little icons that literally have a brush plus water.
Oh, I didn't even
That's
know that. That's so
activated.
cute.
It's so
Oh my
cute.
God.
It's like instructions that
Wow,
are
I love
printed
that.
on. So we use this and we created a flame detail around your eye, which I thought was so fun and cool and still like masculine.
Yeah,
and edgy.
that's what I think is so cool about this palette. You can make it so glam and so out there, but at the same time, I'm kind of at a stage in my makeup life where on myself I still kind of like to feel a little bit less, if you know what I mean. Even
Less
though
is
everything
more.
I do on everyone else is not less is more.
That is very funny. But I feel like we relate on that in
Yeah.
that sense because this is like my everyday makeup,
Yeah,
but we're
totally.
both known for like
Yeah,
super creative
exactly.
stuff.
I don't really wear really glam makeup, and I think this is going to be really cool for just experiment with a palette. And I'm really excited to see some guys that don't necessarily love to wear really glam makeup rock maybe like a flame. I'm just really
Yeah,
down
just like
for
try
that.
new shapes.
Yes.
But like Mitchell was saying, there's so many different colors and ways to wear this palette. There's we have pressed glitters, we have
And they're
original
really
shadows.
good.
They're
I'm not
so
really.
pretty.
Pressed glitters for me. I don't normally love, but these, they hit it. They really do hit it.
I think we're gonna swatch a couple for you guys. Let's watch a couple of our favorites. I might pick like my top 5 if you want to pick your top 5.
I mean, I don't know if I could pick 5, but
Okay.
do you want to do the honors?
No, you go ahead.
Okay.
You do your thing.
Seeing as I was the face of the palette. right?
Guess first.
What is the shade? This is Silver Haze.
I'm
This
gonna
is
go for that
good.
one.
Well, I'm sorry, Nicole, but you let me go first.
Oh my god, it's literally your nail color.
This is
Silver
actually the nails
Haze?
from the shoot as well. Like, I'm obsessed. Just gonna
Oh,
keep
it's
adding this because
beautiful.
it's so good.
I'm obsessed.
Ugh.
It literally looks like chrome. All right, I'm gonna go with this. So it's like, it looks like it's brother right next to it. It's almost like a gunmetal kind
Wow.
of gray.
Why have I not looked at this one yet? Supersonic. Oh, that on a
Ooh, there's kind of like a
smoky
rainbow
eye.
sparkle in it, right?
So pretty.
I love
Yeah,
that.
I see like green, yellow.
I want to like smoke that out into like a grungy liner, like a
Yes.
kind of like punk, kind of gothy moment. I'm wrong.
This is Whirl.
We're all, ooh, the blue.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yep.
Stunning.
Oh,
It's,
yeah.
wow, it's so rich.
Mm-hmm.
This color is unique to me because we don't
Yeah.
really do many purples.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is called, what's the name? Pyramid. I really like this one. It's like a purple, but it has like a bluish like
so pretty.
reflect to it.
It's like a mauve
It's,
purple.
I can't
so
really
pretty.
see, but yeah, it's really pretty.
Stun.
Stunning.
Okay, my turn.
Color number 3.
This for me is probably one of my favorites in the palette.
I was gonna
I
go for that one
love
too.
a yellow. This is like a yellow gold. Stunning.
Wow. That's a good little trio you got
Mm-hmm.
going on there. Okay, yeah, this next one I'm going into is called Legends, because Legends only.
Oof.
And
Is this
it's-
what you put on my lid?
This is one I put on the lid, so you can really build it up, but when we did yours, I literally just dipped my finger in it and like tapped it on.
You know what's so nice about the pressed glitters is it has a bit of a background to it.
Yeah, it's not
There's
just
coverage
glitter.
there,
And
so you don't really need to rely on something underneath it. You can literally put that on by itself. It's
God,
so
that's
pretty.
So pretty.
This is TBA, to be announced. Is that what that stands for?
TBA.
Oh,
wow.
That's so sorry. That's so pretty.
We'll beep it.
Oh,
You don't have to do
TBA.
the sound. TBA.
really nice.
It's very pretty. It's like super magenta, like a really rich magenta. Okay, this one's really pretty. This is something I would wear all the time.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
called
yeah,
Free
totally.
Spirit. This one is just like a very
Did you use this on me?
no.
I think you mixed those, didn't you?
I don't, maybe I did.
Yeah, I think you
I
did.
don't remember. It was so long ago.
It was like 2 days ago.
It's 2 days ago. So much time has passed. I moved on. I don't know.
Okay, right. I really want
Last
to.
color. It's a big decision.
I'm gonna take this one. Wild Child. Oh my God, Wild. I have a tattoo that says Wild.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you wild?
You'll see. Oh, hey, Wild.
Wow, that's really
Oof,
pretty.
that's so nice. You know, I used that with the yellow, so let me just do that again. So we'll do it by itself.
He's wild.
Oh, so, okay, so this top one, I actually had the a bit of Somerset on, and it's made it, that's me being from Somerset, not from America.
It sounds Valley Girl.
Yeah,
It sounds like
Somerset.
me. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's got a little bit of Somerset and Wild Child. But
It looks pretty.
Yeah, it's give it like a green shift. Okay, I'm gonna do Sacred.
Ooh. I love that.
I am saying that right.
Yeah, Sacred.
I just
yeah.
I'm not showing anything.
Oh my gosh, we're being silly.
We're so stupid.
We're stupid, but
So this is
funny.
Sacred.
Sacred.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh god, it's so I like watching it on your hand.
I feel like this might be people's favorite shade in the
Yeah.
palette. This is gonna get a lot of views. This with a bit of 1970.
Oh, is that where you're going with that next, huh?
Those two together.
Okay. Ooh, pretty.
And
Damn.
oh wait, let's do this.
I can't believe you're okay with this.
And then this with a bit. Oh.
Wow. Oh my god, so pretty.
Hello, we've got a look.
Wow.
This. Oh my god. Then a bit of TBA on the lid.
All right.
Okay.
I'm ready for you to create a look on me. I'm like, you're inspiring me.
Yes. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's a look in itself.
Stunning.
There's so much you can do with this.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
And I
love
think
it
it's
so
a nice
much.
mix of neutrals, but then also pops of color as well.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this swatch party using the 24M main event palette. Thank you again, Mitchell, for being in here with me.
Thank
and
you, always.
playing around.
Yes.
And even though I was having an OCD anxiety moment with my hands, we got through it together. And thank you so much. But we hope you guys enjoy this palette and just have fun with it.
Yes.
Remember, if you guys want to look at how to use those cake liners, keep an eye out for another video that we're going to film soon showing you how I recreate the flame look on Mitchell.
I just clapped. Like you used to watch, like you clap.